Good morning, students. Welcome to our online class. And once again, this is Miss Edna, and I hope you're all doing fine. Okay, wait for a while. Wait a second. Yes, start already, right?
Bawal eh.
Start now. Okay. Thank you. Okay, welcome once again to our Math Live streaming class, and I hope that you are all doing fine. Don't forget to write your name, number, and your class. And I think this is our last live streaming class. So, for today, we will have, by the way, my office is at M3 office, second floor of St. Peter building. My office is not in IEP office, it's up there. I'm in guidance office, and my office is at the second floor. It's on the floor um, above the guidance office. Okay, so I would like to remind you to be polite. Do not comment any bad words, otherwise you will be blocked in this live streaming class. So for today, we will have the new topic, and we will recall first equal sets, equivalent sets. So last week we had equal sets. When we say equal sets, two sets are equal if they have exactly the same elements. And how about equivalent sets? Two sets are said to be equivalent sets if they have the same number of elements. Okay, so the learning objectives for today's lesson is the students should be able to define the meaning of the word subset. And the second one is the students will be able to find all the subsets of a given set. So the topic is the relation between sets, specifically about subsets and proper subsets. For the vocabulary, so we have here subset. Set A is a subset of set B if each element of A is also an element of B. We use this symbol. Okay, we use this symbol, this, okay, to denote the relationship. If A is not a subset of B, then we write A is not a subset. So it's subset, not, so that just put a slash. Okay, the next is examples. What are the examples about subsets? For example, number one, okay, it is given that A is the set of all X such that X is a student of M4/1 year 2020, and B is the set of Korakot Wang, Yod Sanon Tong Nuam, Sirira Pia Charon Watana. And what is the relationship between these two sets? So if you see, you have set A, the set of all M4 students. So this is it. Okay, this. Okay, and B is the set of 3 students from M4/1. So what is the relationship between these sets? So if you make circles or diagrams to show the relationship, this is B, and this is A. Set A. A is the set of all M4/1, yeah, and B is the set of Korakot 1. So we have here Korakot, okay, It's Korakot here. Okay, Wang, and then we have Yodsanon. Okay, and we have Sirirat. Sirirat. Okay, maybe I'll make it bigger. Let me change this one to, okay, let's have it bigger so you can see it. Okay. So, let's see if, okay, this, okay, erase first. Okay, maybe a little bit. Okay, so we'll have here, okay, this is A, and this is set B, and A is the set of Korakot, Wang, Yodsanon, and Sirirat. Huh? So A is inside circle B, and B here, the spaces here, are all other students who belong to M4/1 year 2020 or year 2020. So what is the relationship between sets A and B? So the relationship is subset. So we can in symbol we can use A, yeah, A is a subset of B. So this is the answer. It's just subset. Okay, the next one is, okay, let me move. Example number 2, given A is the set of 1, 2, 4, and B is the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What is the relationship between these two sets? So if we use the circles, so we have A here, okay, is the set of 1, 2, 4, and B is the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, B is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Since A already has these numbers, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4 already, so I have it 1, 2, and 4, done. So you have to put 3 and 5 outside circle A, so 3, 5. So this is it. A is inside set B. So what is the relationship? So the word is subset. Okay, so in symbol we can have here A is a subset of B. Okay, so this is it. Okay, are you following? Okay, next. Oh, what's this? Okay, let me erase first. Okay, this is example number 3. Given X is the set of ARE and Y is the set of REAT, what is the relationship between these sets? So we have here again the circles, and then X is a set of A. We have already A here. Okay, so this is A, R, E, and READ for Y. So for Y, in set Y students, this set Y, we already have these REA. So you have to put the outside circle X, but inside circle Y. So this is it. So what is the relationship? The word is again subset. Specifically, we'll have here X. The inner set X is a subset of the outer circle Y. So X is a subset of Y, or you can have the word subset only. Okay, next is number 4. Given P is the set of 1, 3, 4, and Q is the set of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the relationship between these sets? So if you are asked to draw the circles, so for us to understand the meaning easily, so how do you draw it? So first, you'll have to consider the elements. The elements of P, we have 1, 3, and 4. For Q, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So you have to look first for what are the common elements. So if you see, the common elements are 3, 3, 3, they were 4 and 4. And not all elements of P, again, not all elements of P are in Q. So this one is different from examples 1, 2, and 3. So let's see what does it look like. So since we have two common elements, meaning the two sets must intersect with each other. So we'll have like this, set P for example, you can have here P, okay, and set Q, okay, and then you can have the rectangle or the box for that, for the universal set. Okay, for P we have 1, 3, 4, and the common elements between P and Q are 3 and 4. So you have to put it between these two sets. So 3 and 4, yeah. For set P we have 1, 3, 4. So 1 is here. So if you check, set P has 1, 3, 4, and we have here 1, 3, and 4. How about Q? Q, we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 2, yeah, 3 already here, yeah, and then 4 is already here, and we have 5, 6. So if you check, set Q has 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So in this case, again, not all elements of P, not all elements or members of P are in Q. Not all. So meaning the relationship is, okay, subset. Specifically, okay, what is it? It's not a subset, by the way. Okay, not a subset. So we can have like P is not a subset of Q, or you can say Q is not a subset of P. So it's not a subset. The answer is not a subset, because not all elements of P are in Q, or not all elements of Q are in P. So this is an example of not a subset. Okay. Yeah, okay, don't forget to write your name, number, okay, for the latecomers. That's it. Okay. Next is example number 5. Given A is the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and B is the set of 3, 1, 2, 5, 4. What is the relationship between these two sets, A and B? So if you see A has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so I can have here, I'll draw the circle, and then you can have A up, or you can put A inside, it's okay. Or you can put A up there, it's still okay. So the elements of A are 1, no comma, 2, 3, 4, and 5, no comma. Just separate the members or the elements or the numbers. Okay, how about for B, set B? Set B also has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the same. So meaning, you can have put comma here and B, because these are the same elements of B, same elements. A and B, all of the sets, all of the elements of the two sets are the same. Yeah? So what is the set? So what is the same elements? What will be the answer, students? Can you type your comment below if they have exactly the same elements? A and B have exactly the same elements. What is the answer? What is the relationship between these two sets? Okay, please comment your answer below. Okay, yeah. Okay, let me see what is it. Who? Let me move this so I can see it. Okay, this is, yeah, yes. Bombiu, correct. Panawich, correct. Najolni, also correct. Yeah. Pirawich, correct. God of Circle, yes. Yes, yes, correct. Mr. Butter, Bam, yes. Very good. So, which class do you belong? 4/3, 4/2? Yes, flush nail is a subset. So, there are two answers. So, these two sets, oh, oops, where are they? Okay, again, I don't like this. Wait, let me move this. Go back. Okay, where am I now? Oh, oops. Okay, let me do. We have to do it a little bit faster. Okay, so what do we have here now, students? So the answer is, it's moving. Okay. Oh, sorry for that. Okay, let me return. Okay. Okay, what is this? I don't like this on the right. Okay, so what do we have here? Um, that's it. Okay, so the answer is subsets, and they are called subset to each other. So at the same time, they are equal sets. This is it. This is the relationship. You can say A is equal to B, also B is equal to A is a subset of B, also B is a subset of A. Okay, that's it. So the subset and equal sets. Next is this. The empty set is always a subset of every set, and the set itself is a subset of a given set. And the number of all subsets of the set is 2 to the power of n of A, and number 4, if A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, then A is equal to B according to example number 4. Yeah, if A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, then A is equal to B. Okay, and the other, all of this, we'll have it on the next example, number 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, example number 6 about subsets. What are the subsets of 1? Okay, what are the subsets of 1? There are two subsets of 1. So, we have here empty set. The first is I can have empty set. And the second one is the set itself, which is the set of 1. Okay, 1, 2. There are two subsets because of the formula. What is the formula? It's like 2 to the power of n of A. Yeah? What is n of A? So this is the set. Okay? If A is equal to the set of 1, so n of A is equal to 1. There's one element. The cardinality is 1. So this is equal to 2 to the first power, which is equal to 2. There are two subsets because of this. Because of this formula, 2 to the power of the cardinality of a given set. In this case, n of A is 1, so just substitute. So 2 to the first power is equal to 2. Okay? I hope that you are all following. Yes? Okay. It's number 7, example 7. How about the subsets of the set of 1, 2? Again, what are the subsets of set of 1, 2? So the first is empty set, because an empty set is a subset of a given set. The second one is the set with one element. So I have to copy 1. Okay, first I have to copy 2. One element, and then put it inside the brace. This one, inside the symbol. Yeah. And the last one is 1, 2, the set with 2 elements. Put the 2 elements in the braces. And that's it, or the set itself. This is empty set. Empty set is always a subset of a given set, of a given set or a set. And this is the set itself. So the set itself is also a subset according to our notes. The previous slide, the set itself is also a subset of the given set. So there are 4 subsets because according to the formula, which is 2 to the power of n of a is equal to 2. Okay, how many elements are there in the given set? There are 2 elements. So we'll have 2 squared, which is equal to 4. That's why there are 4 subsets of the set of 1, 2. Not 5, neither 3, or neither 2. There are 4 subsets. No more, no less. Okay, example number 8. What are the subsets of set of 1, 2, 3? So you see, students, how many elements are there? There are 3 elements. So we can have here n of, okay, there are 3 elements. There are 3 elements of the set or members. Yeah. Okay, so 2 cubed, okay, is equal to 8. There are 8 subsets. This is it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how do we write the subsets? Yes, Panawich. Yes, you can write the word empty set or just the symbol of empty set. Can you write also null set as a subset? Yeah, the symbol for null set, yes. That's it. Do you have questions? No more? Okay, Firawich, that is correct. Okay, let's have the solution for this. So the first one, so that you will not forget, is write the empty set. Okay, and then the set with 1 element. So how do I do it on my way? So first, I copy 1, I copy 2, I copy 3 from here. 1, 2, 3. 1 element. And then after I copy, I do like this, put inside the braces. Like this. So these are the subsets with 1 element. Okay, how do you write the subset with 2 elements? So usually I do like this, 1, 2 from here. From here, 1, 2, next 1, 3, 2, 3. So we have 2 elements here. And then I put them inside the braces. This, open and close. And the last one is the set itself. So, or the set itself. So this is an empty set. Empty set is a subset of the given set, and this is the set itself. Yeah, so it's complete. We have 8 subsets. So it's easy if you follow this. So you begin with empty set, and then set with 1 element, and then subset with 1 element, subset with 2 elements, subset with 3 elements, or the set itself as the last one. Okay. Oh, example number 9. Okay, write all the subsets of y. Okay, how do you write all the subsets of y? There are 4 elements, so it would be 2 to the 4th power, which is 16. There are 16 subsets. Okay, so what are the 16 subsets? Okay, letter A. The answer for letter A. So solution. So you begin with this. Empty set. Empty set is a subset of a given set. Next is copy all the elements. Null set, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 elements of y, and then put them inside the braces. Open, close, open, close, open, close. Okay, so these are the subsets with 1 element. Next is the subsets with 2 elements. So how do I do it in my way? So I do like this first. null set, this null set, comma 2, null, null, let me erase the null set. It does not look like null set. Okay, this is, okay, null set, comma 2, null set, comma 3, null set, comma 4. Next is 2, 3, 4. Next is 2, comma 3, 2, comma 4, and 3, comma 4. And then put them inside the braces, open and close, open and close braces. Okay. Open and closed. So we have 2 elements and then 3 elements. The subset with 3 elements is this, 2, 3, null set, 2, 4, and then we have 2, comma 3, comma 4. Do we have more? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4. Can have 3, comma 4, comma null set, 3, null set 4. Do we have more? And then put it inside this in the braces. Open, close, open, close. This is okay. And the last one is the subset with 4 elements, or the set itself, and put it inside the braces. So let us count if we miss something or no. So let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this is it. We have the complete list of subsets. There are 16 subsets, which is, is complete. And letter B, what are the subsets with 2 elements? Okay, so we have set of 2, okay, set of 3, set of set comma 4, set of 2 comma 3, set of 2 comma answer, and this is the first one, the answer. All of these are the subsets with 2 elements. Pirouette, you have it there? Yes, very good. Yes, okay, thank you for that. Okay, the notes again, this empty set is a subset of every set. The set itself is a subset of a given set. The number of subsets is 2 to the n of a power. If A is a subset of B and B is a subset of A, then A is equal to B. Okay, oops, where is it? It's gone. Let me find it. Uh-oh. It's gone. Okay, wait a second, students. I have to find, where is it? Oh, from the files. Okay, wait. Can I find it? Sorry for that, students. Thank you. Okay, so I'm back, and vocabulary, proper subset. Okay, set A is a proper subset of set B if A is a subset of B, but A is not equal to B. Example of proper subsets. Number 1, what are the proper subsets of set of 1, comma 2? So what is it? So the first is, you can have here the empty set. Next is the set with 1 element, which is the set of 1, and the set of with 1 element, which is set of 2. This is it. This is the answer. So we will not include, in this case, we will not include the set of 1 comma 2 because set of 1 comma 2 is equal to the set of 1 comma 2. Okay, so it's only this 1, 2, and 3 because according to the definition of proper subsets, A must not equal to B. They should not be equal. So this is it. Okay, erase this one because this is not included in the set proper subsets. Okay, next is the second one. What are the proper example subsets of set of 1, 2, 3? So we begin with this. So we have set of as an empty set with one element 1, 2, 3 and put them inside open and close braces. Next we have two elements 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 2 comma 3 and put them inside the braces. Finish. So we will not include the set itself again, because the set of 1 comma 2 comma 3 equal to this, which is not included in the set of proper subsets. Only 7. Okay. And number 1, if set of 1 is a subset of set of 1 comma 2, then set of 1 is a proper subset of 1 comma 2. Number 2, if set of 2 comma 3 is a subset of set of 2, 3, 5, then set of 2 comma 3 is also a proper subset of set of 2, 3, 5. Number 3, if empty set is a subset of set of 3 comma 2, then empty set is called a proper subset of set of 3 comma 2. How about not a proper subset? For example, we have number 1. Okay, if set of 1 comma 2 is a subset of set of 1 comma 2, then set of 1 comma 2 is not a proper subset because this and this are equal to each other, so it's not a proper subset. Number 2, if set of 2 comma 3 is a subset of set of 3 comma 2, then 2 comma 3 set of 2 comma 3 is not a proper subset because they are equal. These two sets are equal. And number 3, if set of 5 is not a subset of set of 1 comma 2, then set of 5 is not a proper subset of set of 1 comma 2. Notes. For the notes, how do we know that if A is a subset of B? Okay, who can answer? How do you know if A is a proper subset of B? If A is a subset of B, the first one. If A is a subset of B, if... What do you have, students? How do you know if A is a subset of B? So the answer would be what? The element is found. If, for example, A, every element of A is inside of B. Okay, Tariq, that's correct. Very good. Nice job. Okay, when A have a member in set B, specifically, this member should be also in B. So just do like this, students. If you have circle, okay, let me change the color. Who else has the answer? Yes? Well, okay. Flash nail. All elements of set A are in B. Very good. That's it. All elements. Oh, let me change the color. Okay, so you can see it. Wait. Okay. Maybe blue. Let's give it. Okay, this is, for example, B, and this is A. So all elements of A must be in B. Okay. How about proper subset? How do we know that if A is a proper subset of B. What are the conditions for this? Okay, before we move on. So what is it? How do we know if A is a proper subset? How do we know if A is a proper subset of B students? Okay, I'm waiting for your answer. Bam! Correct. A is a subset of B, but not equal to B. Yes. A is a subset. Bam! Do you belong to which class? Which? That is a very nice presentation with the symbols. Correct. Peng Chong Kwan Yun. Yes, if A is a subset of B, but A is not equal to B. Very good. Bam, you belong to room 1. Okay. What is your number? Room 1, yes. Okay. So what is it? Let me write here. A is a subset of B, but A must not be equal to B. Okay. Thank you for your answers. Okay, for this, before you do your work, for your homework, so for the most responsible class, as usual, we have here the number of students who submitted their homework on time. This does not include the number of students who submitted their work late. Okay, for 4/1, 29 students out of 42 submitted the work. So that's 69%, and you are the most responsible class. 4/2, only 24%. 4/3 is the second most responsible class. 4/4 is 32%, and that's the third most responsible class. 4/5, 0. Where is the class leader of 4/5? Kindly tell your classmates to submit the work in my office. 4/6, 28%, and 4/7, 12%. So that's it. So my congratulations to 4/1, 4/3, and 4/4. And thank you for trying your best to submit your work on time. Okay. Follow these reminders. The rule is starting 21st July, if you submit your homework late, you will only get 1/2 of the full score. Okay. It is not your class leader's responsibility to pass your work which is late. If you are late, it's your responsibility to go to my office and submit it. Do not tell your classmate who is the leader to submit your late work. He or she will only submit the work which are not late. Okay. Please do not blame your class leader if he or she won't submit your late work to me. He is also busy, or she is also busy with other school assignments. Please always be responsible. The submission is on or before Monday at 9 a.m. So if you come here tomorrow, you can submit your work tomorrow until Monday before 9 a.m. on my desk. For your homework, please write on A4 paper or student's line paper, and do not write on 1/2 sheet of your notebook paper. Do not write also on your notebook. Do not print. I want you to write everything, and later you have to combine your A4 papers in a folder with your name on top. So later I will be returning all your papers, A4 papers or the student's line paper with the logo. I will return them to you so that you will see what is wrong with your work, and you will see there that some of your scores are only 50% or half if you submit your work late. So for the format, please include your ID number. Can you see it? Okay. Okay, let me move. Okay, please include your ID number, etc. and everything. -2 from the total score for not following the correct formats. Akin ako. Hi teacher. Did you just wake up? Yes, akin ako. I will try to learn this. Oh, with whom? Another teacher? Okay. So, my name is not that. My name is Miss Edna. I don't know if you're telling the same teacher. Okay. So please include your ID number and everything. Okay, for exercise 1B, this is from the book, so it's still exercise 1B. So could you please take a screenshot of this? Okay, let me erase. Let me erase first. Let me erase this one, students. Hold on. Okay, let me erase. Okay, so if you do the work, okay, try to remember that you should write your name, ID number, because I learned that some of your numbers are changed. So please write your ID number, class number, and then Friday, 31st July, today, and the score is over 15. And you have to copy on your A4 paper, copy everything and answer completely. And you have to copy also number 1. I already had the solution for number 1, so you have SOL and ANS for the answer. You have to do letter B, okay. Number 2, letter B, I mean, and then B, number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You have to copy everything. So you have to write only here true or false. True or false. Just answer true or false. Complete word, true or false. Okay, you have to look from set X and set Y. Could you please take a screenshot of this? Okay, do it now. Okay, the second one is letter B, which is about sets X and Y. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. It's easy. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Thank you for joining today, and I hope that you have a great time, and see you later. And I think this is again our last meeting for online class. See you in the classroom, and I'm really excited to see your faces. I hope that you are all doing fine and enjoy for today. Bye-bye! Hindi ko pa kung ano